Before installing LR Connect, please download the installation packages from lr-connect.com. Hit the download button on the start page or click the download item in the menu bar. Please click on the download button for the LR Connect Joomla package to download the zip file for the Joomla installation. Then please click on the download button for the zip file with the LR Connect Lightroom plugin. Please open the admin interface for your Joomla website. Open the Extensions menu and click on Manage Install. Then open the tab Upload Package File for installing LR Connect. Please drag the downloaded zip file named pkg-lrconnect.zip to the upload and installation area. LR Connect will then be uploaded and installed. After installation, you will get a message saying that the package was installed successfully. Please open the Components menu and select the LR Connect menu item to open the LR Connect dashboard. Please click on Generate Token to create an access token for the Lightroom plugin. During the Lightroom plugin configuration, you have to copy the access token to the settings of the Lightroom Publish service. The installation of the LR Connect Joomla component, module and plugin is now complete. First, please unzip the downloaded lrconnect.lrplugin.zip file. After unzipping, you should have a file named lrconnect.lrplugin, which is a Lightroom plugin. Please copy this file to a folder which should not be deleted. Open Adobe Lightroom Classic and open the plugin manager located in the File menu. In the opening dialog, please click the Add button on the left-hand side of the dialog. A system file browser is opening. Please direct to the folder with the lrconnect.lrplugin and select it. Then click the Add Plugin button. The plugin is installed and you can click on the Close button of the Lightroom Plugin Manager. Then go to the Publish services and find the LR Connect Publish service. Click on the Setup button to open the configuration dialog of the LR Connect Publishing service. Please enter a name for this Publish service in the description field. Then jump to the Joomla base URL field and put in the base URL of your Joomla website. This can be a domain name or an IP address. In the next step, please enter the Joomla LR Connect auth token. The best way is to copy the token from the Joomla component and paste it into the field of the LR Connect Publish service configuration. Then check the other configuration options like the file settings or the image sizing and input appropriate values. Then click the Save button to finalize the configuration. To sync your first images to Joomla, just drag and drop some images to the existing collection or create a new collection. Select the collection and hit the Publish button to the top right corner of the collection overview. The images then will be transferred to the LR Connect component in Joomla.